Hello guys, it's the Gamestress here, back with another video where I'm going to be unboxing some goodies for you today. Ready? Let's go. I wonder what is in this bag. Now, I do have a shop where I work on print on demand, where I design my artwork and put it onto products. Today we're going to be unboxing some products that I'm going to display in my upcoming Juneteenth vendor pop-up this weekend. It will be here in Las Vegas from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I hope to see you guys there if you're going to be in the Vegas area. Oh, it looks like so I've been using this tool called Midjourney to help with designing graphics for me, and it's been awesome. And I have so many graphics that I decided to check out one of the vendors' scented candle collection. So I designed it with the Midjourney design that I made. The candles smell amazing, outstanding, better than expected. So hopefully those will be a good attraction on my stand this coming Saturday. This one I call Sentimental. It's like a citrus smell, and I really like it. I enjoy it. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I made the images using an AI tool called Midjourney. AI is taking over, and it really can do some cool stuff and can help with your designs. I mean, you do still have to do some touch-ups on your own, but it really does work well. So again, with the tool for the Midjourney, I started doing some canvas artwork that you can just hang for your walls. My kids requested certain things. Right now, Little Mermaid is trending, so we went with that and some SpongeBob goodies. So how do you think these prints came out? I think that they came out really well, and my kids were excited. Good old Squidward. I had a lot of fun making these things, and I really enjoy working with the tool Midjourney. I also use AI tool in Canva, and I'm going to show you that upcoming shortly. So this is all the things that we unboxed in our first package. We have several more large images that I was able to print out. Now I just fell in love with this little puppy dog that I just love so much that I put it on a canvas. And that's the cool thing with print on demand, is that you can take any of your art and print it on the canvas, and they will do the fulfillment for you. So that's basically what I do with my shop. I design the artwork, and the fulfillment center prints it out and sends it out to my customer. It's really an awesome design for a startup business. And I'm really impressed with the way this came out. I just couldn't stop gushing. This one I had a little issue with because it had some fuzz at the bottom. I'll have to clean that up. But other than that, the print came out good, so we'll just have to make it work, do a little cleanup there.
These are okay.
Wow, this one is amazing. I just love it. Very high detail for the AI tool. And this image here is perfect for that little extra little black girl magic touch to any kid's bedroom. Some more puppies and dogs, and just a variety of different pieces of art for everyone's taste. A little something for everyone. I just love how this came out. It's awesome.
It's definitely going in my room.
So this is what we have for our display stand for art. We actually have another video where we did some other artwork unboxing that will be accommodating this, if I can get it all on the tables. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and the artwork. Let me know what you want me to design, and I'll see what magic I can make with the tool. Thanks for watching again, gamestresgraphics.com.